Dear students of class 5, I am Mrs. Neha Makkar and in this video we will continue our lesson Becoming Great. In 2001, she became second in the Women's World Amateur Boxing Championship. In 2002, she entered again and came first. Now children, let me explain you what do you mean by amateur. So children, amateur is a person who takes part in a sport for pleasure and not for money. So firstly, she started participating in the amateur boxing championship where there are not many money rewards and people there box only for their passion and for their pleasure. And in 2002 she entered again and she came first. So now children, Mary Kom is often called Magnificent Mary because of her accomplishments. So children, this title of Magnificent Mary or Wonderful Mary, this nickname she got because of her achievements. When she defeated so many people in so many competitions, the title of Magnificent Mary was conferred upon her. She has been the world amateur boxing champion 5 times. So for continuously 5 years she participated and she became the champion continuously for 5 times. And in 2012, after she finished with this amateur boxing competition, she entered the Olympics in the year 2012, Summer Olympics in London, and women's boxing was allowed for the first time. So this was the first time when the category of the women boxing was also introduced in the Olympics, and Mary fought tirelessly. Tirelessly means with a great effort and energy, and she also got a chance to represent her country, India. At the Olympics, Mary stayed focused through round after round and match after match until she won the bronze medal for India. So she was determined and she continuously focused towards her one goal, and that was winning a medal in the Olympics, and she came third and she won the bronze medal but at the prestigious competition called Olympics. Okay. This secured her a place in sports history. So she, because of this achievement, she made her mark in the sports history. In the year 2012 Asian Games, Mary became even more of a sensation when she won the gold medal in South Korea. So in Olympics she won a bronze medal and London Olympics, and in 2014 Asian Games she won a gold medal in South Korea and she became a sensation, means a celebrity, a known personality, and everyone could feel her presence in the field of boxing. In recognition of her achievements, in 2013 Mary was awarded the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian honor in India, and she was previously awarded the Padma Shri in 2010 and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna, India's most prestigious sports award. Now children, when she gave so much contribution to the field of boxing, she was recognized by the country, and the awards that are mentioned here, they are given by the government of India. So earlier she got Padma Shri in the year 2010 and in 2013 she got the Padma Bhushan award, which is the third highest civilian award. So children, civilian means a person who is not a army person, navy person or a air force person. So that is the meaning of civilian. So in spite of being a sports person, a civilian, not this award is only given to the civilian people, not the soldiers. So this is the civilian award that she got. And she also got the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award, and it is the prestigious sports award. Means prestigious means having high status in the field of sports. And then the next para talks about her personal life also, and she got married in the year 2005 and she and her husband, they have 3 sons. and they live in Imphal. I told you about Imphal, that Imphal is the capital city of the state of Manipur. As well as training arduously. Arduously means training with a lot of effort, with great effort. Mary campaigns for various causes. Okay, so just like you have seen that the beauty contest winners, they campaign for polio drops, for social work. So Mary also campaigns for many causes such as animal rights. She fights for animals, and that they should be taken care of, they should be handled with care, and she encourages people to volunteer and work to improve their communities. So children, communities is a group of people having something in common, such as we can talk about the religious communities, that according to religion there are different communities, and there are many bases for the community. So she says that every community, whether it be religion wise, whether it be that city wise, they all should promote, they all should work for their communities and bring their community further. Because as you know that she was from a very small community where her parents worked as manual laborers in the fields. So she thought that if you work, you can bring your community to a good level. Mary is passionate about promoting health and fitness. So now passionate means having a very strong feeling for doing something, that is passion, and for improving the health, promoting the health, and fitness. Fitness being strong and healthy. So what is most important for sports? Being fit, that is being strong and healthy. She teaches the disadvantaged children. So disadvantaged children means underprivileged children, those who are not so economically powerful or their parents don't support them. So such underprivileged children, she teaches them how to box. As she herself has encountered a lot of problems before becoming a boxer, so she helps such children and thereby passing on the skills of determination, speed, agility, power, endurance, and mental toughness. So these are the qualities, children, that are mentioned for a sports person. One should be determined, that means one should be focused and devoted to the field. Then one should be fast, one should have good speed, and agility means kind of, that fitness, that flexibility one should have for being a sports person. And endurance means the ability of keep going under difficult circumstances also, and being mentally tough, that nobody can break you up, nobody can shackle you up. You can learn more by watching the film about her life or reading her autobiography, Unbreakable. So a movie was made on Mary Kom. The title was also Mary Kom, in which Priyanka Chopra has starred, and her autobiography means she herself has written about her life in the book named Unbreakable. Today Mary is the hero to many school children like you. So hero means children like a storybook character, like an admirable person, but you must never forget that you can too become great one day if you do everything to the best of your ability and take the chances that are offered to you. So if you're working to the best of your ability means you're utilizing all your abilities and taking the chances. Taking the chances means making maximum use of the opportunities that come your way, that come in your life. Then you also can become great and you also can fulfill your ambition like Mary, whatever you want to become in your life. Thank you, children.